Hello friends, this is Deepak Sudhar and you're welcome in our YouTube channel Vivekananda Academy of Learning. In this video today we are going to discuss about most important MCQs of the story Ruccolo the Miser. This story is written by George Orwell. Okay, so before we start this video, I would like to tell you, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. This content will help you for online examinations, net slate examination and other literature quiz as well. So again, if you have not visited the videos, links are given in description. You can check out our links in description. Okay, so already most important material uploaded on our YouTube channel. Okay, chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 3 and 5th link is given in description. You can check out. Okay, now let's get started. Let's begin it. The first question is, who wrote the story Ruccolo the Miser? So the answer is George Orwell. Next question. George Orwell was born in 1903, Bengal. Next question. What is the pen name of George Orwell? Pen name means nickname. Eric Arthur Blair. Questions can be asked that George Orwell, famously known as Eric Arthur Blair. Okay. Next question. Which is the most popular novel of George Orwell? So the answer is Animal Farm, which is written in 1945. Next question. From which book the story Ruccolo the Miser taken? So from the George Orwell's novel Down and Out in Paris and London. Okay, so this is the story of this novel Down and Out in Paris and London. Okay, next question. In which year the novel Down and Out in Paris and London published? In 1933. Okay, so in 1933 this novel is published. Next question. How Ruccolo died? Ruccolo died of heartbroken. Next question. Why the story The Miser was criticized? So the Miser was criticized due to its anti-Semitic undertones. So that's why it is criticized. Next question. Opposite question. Why the story The Miser has been praised or appreciated? So it is appreciated or praised for its subtle explorations into complexities of human mind. So that's why this story is being praised. Okay, next question. What is Auberge de Jean Cotard? So the answer is name of hotel in Paris. So this is the name of hotel in Paris, Auberge de Jean Cotard. Next question. What is the narrator watched for the first time in the fortnight? So the answer is His Teeth. Next question. What is the meaning of trace series in this story? So the answer is very serious. So this is the synonym. Trace series is the written in French. So in English it is known as very serious, or its meaning in English is very serious. Next question. Who told about the death of old Ruccolo the Miser? So the answer is Charlie. Because this is a story. Okay, this is a story. Next question. Who told Charlie? Next question. Who was Rukole? Rukele was miser. Next question. When Rukele went to Les Halls in every morning, Rukele went to Les in every morning. He goes to Les Halls. Next question. What is Les Halls? So the answer is Fresh Food Market in Paris. What is Fresh Food Market in Paris? Next question. What does Rucolo wear instead of underclothes? So he wears newspaper instead of underclothes. Next question. Why does Rucolo wear newspaper instead of underclothes? So the reason was because he was a miser. Yes, so that's why. It's will normally miser rarely spend their money. Yes. Rucolo uses wainscoting of his room for why? For firewood. Wainscoting of his room. Wainscoting means it's one kind of wood which used for to made houses, or it would be of wood, so that's why it would fire easily. Okay, so for firewood. Next question. Which two cities are mentioned in this story? And there are two cities, Paris and London is mentioned in this story. Where Rucola put all his money when he came to a bed, and so the answer is Wildcat scheme, under Wildcat scheme. Next question. What was the dilemma for Rucolo for his money? So the dilemma was whether he has to invest his money or not, because he was confused. Why? He was miser. Okay. What Rucolo had fear about? So Rucolo had fear of losing his money. Next question. So he had fear that he is going to lose all his wealth and money. Next question. With whose partnership Rucolo invest his money? So with young Paul, because young Paul also have invested some money. How much money Paul had invested in this scheme? Now 4,000 francs. 4,000 francs Paul had invested in this scheme. Next question. How much money Rucolo had invested in the scheme? So before we seen that questions was about Paul. Now it is the same question, but it is for Rucolo. So Rucolo invested 6,000 francs. On the contrary, Paul had invested 4,000 francs. Okay. Next question. So total are 10,000. 10,000 francs. Next question. To whom Rucolo invested all his money in this story? To the Jew. Next question. How Rucolo came to his bed end? So putting all his money into a wildcat scheme. Next question. Give the meaning of the word cocaine. So give the synonym or meaning of the word cocaine. So cocaine is tropane alcohol and stimulating drug. Okay, so this is cocaine. Where was easy enough to buy cocaine in this story? So in Paris, it is easy enough to buy cocaine. Next question. Who swore that there was no danger get cocaine in this story? So the answer is the Jew. The Jew had swore that there was no danger to get cocaine. Okay, next question. Who is a student at the suburb in this story? So the answer is young Paul. Next question. What would be worth a small fortune in England? So the answer is 10 pound of cocaine is a worth a small fortune in England. Next question. Who had done a tremendous struggle to get the money from Ruccolo or Rukele? So the answer is the Pole and the Jew. Both had done lots of struggle to get money from Ruccolo. Next question. What is outcome of the Pole and the Jews' tremendous struggle? So what was the result or outcome? So it was Ruccolo convinced to hand over the money. So finally he has decided to put his money in the scheme. Okay, so Ruccolo convinced. Next, how much money? So 6,000 francs. Next question. What was there on the table while police arrived in the story? So the answer is tins. There are lots of tins on the story. Next question. At the final judgment, who realized from the police station? It's a release from the police station, Paul and Ruccolo. Next question. Who double crossed Ruccolo and the Pole? So the answer is the Jew. Next question. After checking all the tins by the police, what was there instead of cocaine? So the answer is face powder. Next question. Who lost 4,000 francs in this story by putting wildcat scheme? So young Paul. Next question. How was the Ruccolo head after losing 6,000 francs? Broken down. He was completely broken down after losing this much of wealth, because he was miser, so he had different types of ideology. Who said Ruccolo had some kind of stroke and in a fortnight he was dead? Charlie. So Charlie said this. What did the narrator do soon after he left the auberge? So the answer is he went to the bed and slept for 12 hours. Next question. What is the character of Charlie according to the narrator? So the answer is a liar. So Charlie was a liar. According to narrator means according to the author or writer, because the person who narrates the story, he or she is known as narrator. So here our author George Orwell is narrator. On the contrary, Charlie is telling this entire story to the author. Okay. What is the strategy that they used to deceive the police? So they have used the strategy by becoming calm and contain face powder. Next question. Who cheated Ruccolo in this story? So the answer is, this is most important question, the Jew. Okay. So friends, hope so you have enjoyed this video, and if you it is really helpful you, please like, do comment if you like this video. We have uploaded many more videos on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends, and visit our blog Vivekananda Academy of Learning.blogspot.com. Link is given in description. You can check out other chapters of BA or BSc semester 1 compulsory English subject. Okay friends, bye bye.